Okay, I got a package in today from Ninja Transfers out of San Diego, California. They gave me some free samples here. I'm gonna open this package and take a look at it and see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Tell you what, it's definitely sealed well. Open this right here up. Yeah, this is something I seen online. I came across and they said that they were seeing some free samples if you filled out this form and requested free samples. So yeah, I got the samples here. The shipping was free, everything was free. So let's take a look at them, see what we got. They came in this mailer type package, blue. I didn't show you the address because my address is on the front of it. All right, set that to the side. And this is what we got here. Okay. I guess this right here is to press the transfers on for testing. And I'll make a video doing that soon. But yeah, this is some Ninja Transfer, not sponsored. They just sent me some free samples. So it says no setup fee, no minimum, free shipping in 24 hours, satisfaction guaranteed. So yeah, okay. I'm probably try these guys on a project. Let me see what they sent me here. Okay, they sent me their, I guess it's their logo. Okay. Global brand. This is a white, and this is a multicolor with some line gradient in it. It's just basically line with a two-color design on it, and it's got some fountain type colors here. Okay, and then we got this one here, which is sort of like a spot color design, where you got your separate colors laid out. It's like an annual Johnson family reunion. It's getting about that season, so yeah. And then we got this one here. They got some finer lines in it. I can't speak. Observatory amongst the stars. So it's got some finer detail in it. And here's our little ninjas. Cool. I'm gonna press some of these here and and do a stretch test and see how everything holds up. So I just wanted to show you this video. They was kind enough to send me some free transfers, and I'm pretty sure pretty much all the printing companies or transfer companies will probably send you a free sample. So I'm going to try these guys out in another video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I am out.